magloloko ka sa akin, bakit? Ano pwede maging dahilan kung bakit ka magloloko?
Wala.
Boracay ako, nagkita kayo ng kabit mo. Nasa Taiwan ako, nagkita kayo ng kabit mo.
Bakit?
Wala.
And you know why people, not just men, but also women, would answer like that pag tinatanong sila ng mga partner nila? It's because alam nila na yung katotohanan would just cause trouble. Mag-aaway lang sila, 'di ba? It's going to be a rough day ahead if you actually tell the truth. And most of us want the truth, but we cannot pay the price to have the truth. And look at this news. Sabi ni Slater Young, he apologized for his comment saying that committed men fantasizing about other women is normal. So, ano yung common doon sa kaso ni Slater Young and doon sa asawa ni Meiko? Both of them tried to be honest about what they think. And look what it gets them. Punishment. Ngayon, if you punish the truth, what do you expect? 'Di ba? What we know about our relationship right now, how we view it, what is and what should be, is very heavily influenced by popular culture. Yung mga movies, yung mga love stories, it's how it should be. Kaya hindi na natin tinitingnan kung ano ba talaga yung katotohanan, and most of them we try to shove it at the back kasi nga hindi naman siya accepted. And most likely if magiging ganun yung perspective mo sa relasyon, although tama, although it's backed up by science, it's going to be push backwards kasi nga mapapahamak lang tayo for having that kind of perspective. And look at the effect of it right now. Sa dinami-dami ng mga gurus, sa dinami-dami ng mga influencer that are talking about what should love is, why is cheating still very prevalent sa mga relationship ngayon, be it babae, be it lalaki? It's because we cannot face the truth. We try to hide the shadow, thinking that, well, it's not going to affect us, but look at we now.
Sabi niya pa dito, isang beses mo nga lang ako kinain eh.
Reason lang, for example, magkakaroon ng reason. Ano ang pwedeng maging rason para magloko ka sa akin?
Hindi magloloko.
Liar ka!
Ha?
Walang rason.
Kinain mo ba ka?
Kunyari, ako na una nagloko. Di mo ko lolokoy pabalik.
Hindi loloko, hindi iwanan na lang.
You see how empty the words of the guy is? It's because, again, alam niya sa sarili niya na yung katotohanan is just going to put him in trouble and hindi siya magiging beneficial para sa kanila. So, anong gagawin niya? Of course, sasabihin ko na lang yung gustong marinig ng taong nagtatanong. Bakit? It's because they cannot handle the truth.
Ibig mo, sabi mo, February kayo natapos.
That's what I'm telling you guys.
Liar ako!
The answer is, hindi magloloko.
And this is what I've been telling you guys. Yung katotohanan, hindi lang siya parang candy na bibigyan mo ng piso yung tao para sabihin sa'yo yung katotohanan. It involves exposing himself. It involves them being vulnerable. Tapos, pag nakuha nyo, anong gagawin nyo? O, di ba? And again, would you expect the truth from the people na papagalitan mo? Would you expect truth doon sa taong gagamitin mo yung sinabi niya para lang magamit ka or magalit ka? 'Di ba? And then ang lakas natin kagad mag-jump into conclusion na ang tanging may kasalanan lang kung bakit nagkaroon ng fallout yung relasyon yung taong nag-cheat. Again, the victim of the affair is not always the victim of the relationship. Hindi natin alam or hindi natin napapansin yung mga ginagawa natin sa partner natin para itulak sila papunta doon sa mga bagay nating ayaw nilang gawin. And pansinin nyo rin, yung madalas pinag-uusapan ng mga mag-asawa yung sordid details or yung masasakit na detalye nung pag-cheat. Ilang beses kayo nag-sex? Mas masarap ba siya sa akin? Diba? Kinain mo ba siya? Nilabasan ka ba? BJ ka ba? Which doesn't contribute doon sa pag-aayos ng relasyon nyo. They just wanted to, confirm yung pagdududa nila or iangat yung level ng sakit na nararamdaman nila without even thinking if those questions can be useful para malaman kung ano ba talagang nangyari. You know why? Because for them, ang nangyari nag-cheat siya, niloko siya, nasaktan siya, and I just want to put all the blame, all the effort into that single person para ayusin yung nangyayari. Because para sa kanila, wala silang ginawang mali, wala silang ginawang masama. At yung partner lang nila yung dapat mag-effort para maayos yung sitwasyon nila. Well, this is an invitation, guys, to actually have a good reflection doon sa mga bagay na ginagawa natin with our partners. Because most of us are biased with ourselves and hindi natin napapansin yung partisipasyon natin, yung pagkukulang natin, yung mga ginawa natin para itulak sila papunta doon sa sitwasyon na meron kayo. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check whether we could work together. Have a good day.